Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can verify your PayPal account. So for that, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in this video I'm going to be showing you from the first step itself, that is by linking the bank account or the credit card. So then let's get started. First of all, you need to log in into your PayPal account. That is, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.paypal.com. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official page, and once you're on this page you'll need to tap on login in the top right. And after that, log in into your account using your email address and the password associated to it. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and right on this page you need to click on pay and get paid. And as you tap on it, you'll be directed to the payment method, and you can see right at the bottom you have an option as bank and credit card. So then you need to click on it, and once you tap on it, next page you have an option to link a new bank account. So then you need to tap on the option, and once you do that, next interface you need to select the bank account that you want to link. So then search for the name of a bank. So after you're done selecting the bank account, next you need to provide the bank detail. That includes entering your address. So after you're done providing all of the information, make sure to recheck it once and then tap on link your bank account. So in order to confirm your bank account, a verification code or the too small deposit will be sent, which will indicate that the account has been successfully linked as well as verified. So then the verification code or the deposit will be sent within 2 to 3 days. All you need to do is wait patiently, and after a couple of days later you might be receiving a verification code or the too small deposit. Copy paste it right on this page. So once you're done entering the amount, tap on confirm, and if you have provided the correct information, then you have successfully verified as well as linked your bank account to your PayPal. So that is how you can verify on PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.